Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you to please click on the subscribe button. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of butter to it. After adding the butter, I'm going to add 3 cloves, 6 peppercorn, 3 dry red chillies, 7 garlic cloves, a small cinnamon stick, also some fine chopped ginger. You can now add the medium-sized onions to it. Here I've taken 2 medium-sized onions. Now to these onions I'm going to add 1 stick of curry leaves. And I'm now going to mix this really well with the onions. I'm now going to fry these onions for at least 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until the onions become nice and soft. After 4 minutes I'm now going to add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm then going to mix this well with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, I'm now going to add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm now going to mix this really well with the onions. After 1 minute, I'm then going to add half kg of boneless beef. I'm then going to mix this really well with the onions. I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of chili oregano sauce, which is optional. I'm going to be using this sauce to give this nice vibrant color to the beef. I'm now going to fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can see here that the beef has let out a few juices of its own. At this point of time, you can add some crushed kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves to it. Along with that, you can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 green chilli. The reason I'm adding 1 green chilli here, though you want the dish to be spicy, is that the fact that I've already added 2 dry red chilies and a whole lot of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now I'm going to add the salt as per taste. And I'm going to mix this really well. After mixing it well, I'm now going to add 3 glasses of water, and then I'm going to close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook for at least 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, I've now removed the lid of the pressure cooker, and I'm then going to add 2 sliced medium tomatoes to it. You can alternatively add a tomato puree here. I'm then going to mix this really well with the gravy. I'm then going to place the lid on this. After 8 minutes, you can now remove the lid. And as you can see here, the tomatoes are mixed really well with the beef. You can lastly add some coriander leaves here to garnish it. And then you can switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.